Hi. So let us take a look at the last question in the summative exercise, which is question number 18. Let's go through the question first. So here you are given the Mathematics Society of SMK Taman Pago Indah organized a logo design competition for the society. The diagram on the right shows a circular logo designed by Wong, made up of identical sectors from circle with radii 5 cm. So just take a look at this diagram. So we want to know where are the sectors, okay, and then the sectors have radii 5 cm. So just take a look at the diagram. So we try to shade where are the sectors located by using different colors, so you can see more clearly. Okay, you'll notice that here there is one sector over here. Okay, there is one sector over here, and the radius of the sector is 5 cm. So this becomes the radius, and this is 5 cm. So you got one more radii here. This is also 5 cm, and one more from here to here will be 5 cm. So the center is this point here. Yeah, so this becomes the center point. So this will be 5 cm. Then if you draw a straight line from here to the edge here, this will also be 5 cm. From here to here will be 5 cm. Now let's take a look at another arc drawn by this person. Another arc, for example, I use a different color now. Another arc has center this point, using this as a center. So we can draw one more arc from going from here all the way. Sorry, let me draw this properly. One more arc from here all the way to here. Okay. So for this arc, okay, for the arc going from here to here, the center will be this point. And the radius is also 5 cm. Radius 5 cm here, 5 cm here. So this distance will also be 5 cm. So if I were to draw a straight line from this point to the edge here, this will be 5 cm. Okay. So this point will be 5 cm. Okay, so we can label this as 5 as well. Okay. So you are asked to find, what are you asked to find here? You're asked to find what is the parameter of the colored region of the logo. So the colored region or the blue region you can see here. You're asked to find what is the parameter. Okay, it looks a bit complicated, but actually it's very simple. The reason because the pattern here is identical, it's repeating, and the pattern here is repeating everywhere. So all you need to do is you need to find what is the arc length of one of these arc here. What is the arc length of this section here? And then multiply this by the number of arcs available here. So here you got two, one up here, one down here. They are all identical. Okay, so this is upside down, but it's the same as the arc on top. It's more like a mirror reflection of this arc here. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So multiply by 12, that will give you the parameter. So we try the first part here. Okay, so we just write down here 18. So you asked to find 18 part A, you asked to find what is the parameter. So parameter of colored region. Okay, parameter of colored region will be equal to, remember the formula for parameter, formula for arc length we studied earlier. Simple formula S is equal to R theta. So we are going to make use of this formula. Parameter of color region will be S equal to R theta. R will be 5. R will be 5 cm multiplied by theta. Now what is the angle? So this is the arc length we are trying to find. So we are going to use this formula for this arc over here. So the arc length is given by R multiplied by theta. So R will be 5. So what will be theta? Theta will be the angle inside here. Okay. Now you'll notice that because the three sides are the same, so this is an equilateral triangle. And we know that in the equilateral triangle, each angle will be 180 divided by 3, and that will be 60 degree. So this angle will be 60 degree. You can label this angle will be 60 degree. Okay. So theta will be 60 degree, convert to radian. This will give you 60 degree times by 3.142 divided by 180 degree. Okay, so that is for one arc. Altogether, you got 12 arcs. So all this multiplied by 12. Okay, we multiply by 12 similar arcs. Why? Because we have this arc here is repeating 12 times everywhere. When you count all together, there are 12 arcs like that. So this will be equal to, if you work it out, you'll get 62.84 cm. So that becomes the parameter. Okay. So in the second part, you're asked to find what is the area of the color region. Okay, area of color region. Here we are going to use the formula for area. Area is given by area of arc is equal to half r square theta. So this is for arc. This is for arc. This is for arc. Sorry, this is for sector. Area of sector. And then area of triangle. Okay, we are going to use the formula half AB sine C. Yeah? So we're going to see how to apply this formula to solve this problem. So in the second part, you asked to find what is the area of the colored region. So here part B we can write part B area of colored region is equal to half r square theta for one sector, half r square. So r will be 5 square times theta will be 60 degree times 3.142 divided by 180 degree. Okay. So this is the area of the sector. We must minus the area of the triangle. So this will be half times, I think I'll write at the bottom here. Maybe I won't have space. So half AB sine C, half times 5 times 5 times sine 60 degree. Okay. Now when you calculate like this, you'll notice that this is the area of one sector multiplied by a triangle, meaning you're trying to find what is the area of this sector here. Okay, area of this sector minus the area of the triangle will give you the area of segment over here. This is half a segment. Okay, so when you count the number of segments available here, this will be half a segment. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 similar segments like this. Okay, whatever you calculate using this part here, this will give you the area of just one segment. Okay, so this segment is repeating everywhere. Okay, the segment at the bottom is upside down. It's a mirror copy. So you just take the area of one segment multiplied by 12. That will give you the total area. So this value multiplied by 12, this will give you 13.09 minus 10.83 multiplied by 12. This will give you 27.12 cm square. Okay, so that is the area of the colored segment. So that is the answer for part 2. Okay, let's go through the question one more time and try to understand. So you asked to find what is the parameter. That's the first part. You asked to find the parameter. So this pattern is repeating everywhere. So what you need to do is find the parameter of just one arc here. What is dimension of one arc and then multiply by 12 because it's repeating. And second part, you ask to find what is the area of the color region. All you have to do is find the area occupied by one segment, and then you multiply by 12 segments. So when you multiply by 12, then you'll get the total area. Okay, so it's not that difficult. I want you to try this on your own first before looking at the solution.